Hey everyone, you're with the Globe Guys in Dubai and we're staying at the Paramount Hotel. Now Dubai has two Paramount Hotels and we're staying at the Midtown one, which as the name suggests is centrally located. So we're going to show you around the hotel, but first of all, here's a look at our suite.
Hey guys, come on in. Room 2026, a blockbuster suite at the Paramount Midtown in Dubai. So, first of all, it's a suite, right? Entranceway, very spacious. So let's start here. Coffee machine and stuff like that. You've got a mini bar, well, a mini fridge in there. It's not stocked. All right, you've got a phone, glasses and stuff like that. I assume the coffee in there is complimentary. So the living area. So there's kind of the room's split into kind of three sections. So this is section one, which is the kind of living area. So I'm with a pretty nice view. I don't know if that'll come out on the camera. It's quite bright, but a bit of view down of Dubai. It's not the side with the Burj on. That's on the other side of the hotel, but a bit of cut of everything. Careful when you turn around. Nice big TV. Loving that. So, okay, so section one. Let's move into section two. Alright, so we've got this nice sliding door, which brings us into the bathroom area. Alright, so where you've got the bath here, well, his and her sinks, or in our case, his and his sinks. Alright, you've got some usual little bits, sanitary bag, shower cap, vanity kit in there. Alright, again, shade there, obviously the sun's beating in, so that keeps this room feeling quite cool and nice.
Keeps us from feeling quite cool and nice, I mean.
Keeps us feeling cool and nice. On this side you've got rain shower with, so you've got in-house shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. The Royal Rose by Jose Eber, or Eber, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that. But yeah, nice. And then obviously the toilet there, doesn't really need much explanation. So that is section two. Now into section three, which is the bedroom. Alright, so stand out there, so you've got big double bed or queen or king, so I'm not sure what it is. But I really like, I like the wood effect. It feels very modern, it's very us, right? If you've been following our channel for a while, you know the kind of rooms that we like. This absolutely ticks that box. Again, another big TV, plenty of space for drawers if you want to unpack your stuff. We're only here for 2 nights, so we won't be using them. Bit of a desk area. If you're digital entrepreneurs and have an affiliate marketing business like we do, then that's a great place to do a bit of work and catch up. All right, and then obviously we have the view, so it leads out onto what is quite a big balcony. All right, so we step out, really is a big balcony. This is all ours. It's great. And you got the, downtown Dubai or whatever it is down there, the business bay. And it's not in sun at the minute, so it's actually, you could actually sit out here quite nicely and relax. So one more thing to show you in the bed.
Can I just say as well, just whilst we're here, that looks like a submarine over there. I don't think you can tell on the camera, it's blurry. Anyway.
So back into the bedroom. So just on the storage, so again in the bedroom you've got a almost walk-in closet, it's a walk-in closet I guess, with more than enough storage space, literally.
Loads.
1, 2, got safe and everything in that one, slippers, shoe bag. And you've got 1, 2, 3 big wardrobes. Got dressing gowns, complimentary dressing gowns, great. Laundry bag and stuff like that.
What does it say on the back of that?
Oh, it says, the stage is set. We're in because it's a movie themed hotel. So yeah, as you see when we show you the rest of the hotel, you'll see there's a movie theme in a very nice, classy way, not in a tacky way.
Hence why they call it the Paramount Hotel.
Exactly. You know, and again, so view, you know, nice. But so it's amazing. It is very, very happy with it. Very happy with it. So what we're going to do now is show you the rest of what is already an awesome hotel.
We hope that you found this video about the Paramount Midtown Hotel in Dubai interesting or useful, and if you have, then why not consider hitting that subscribe button, because we review lots of hotels when we're on our travels, as well as showing you what we get up to when we're traveling around the world. We're the Globe Guys in Dubai. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.